Need to power pneumatic tools like wrenches, concrete vibrators, or tire inflators? When it comes to tough jobs, productivity is everything. The HPDMC 6.5 HP Gasoline-Powered Air Compressor delivers 11, 17 CFM and up to 125 PSI, powering multiple tools at once without skipping a beat. Whether you're inflating truck tires, powering pneumatic tools, or running field repairs, this compressor meets the heavy-duty demands of construction sites and service vehicles. It delivers consistent high pressure for demanding environments, truck fleet repairs, mechanical shops, or even livestock operations. No job is too big. From construction sites to service vehicles, it keeps your equipment running smoothly for longer, with more airflow and better pressure, so you can keep working harder, faster. Upgrade to HPDMC's 6.5 GP gasoline-powered air compressor to unlock your productivity. Visit our website at https://www.hpdmc-compressor.com/